In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export reports from Google Analytics to PDF or Excel. Start by opening Google Analytics in your web browser. Once you are signed in, make sure you are on the Analytics home screen. This is the main landing page where you can quickly access your property and see high-level performance information. Before you export anything, it helps to confirm you are viewing the correct account and property, since exports will reflect exactly what is on screen. From the home area, find and click View Report Snapshot. This takes you into the reporting experience, where Google Analytics shows a snapshot dashboard of key metrics and charts. Give the page a moment to fully load so the data you want is visible and up to date. If your reports rely on a date range or a comparison, make sure it is already set the way you need, because the export will match what you are currently viewing. Next, look for the Highlight option on the report screen. Click on Highlight to focus the report content area. This helps ensure you are working with the specific report view you want to export. Take a second to scan the information on the screen, since items like selected dimensions, filters, or segments can change what appears in the final file. Now you are ready to export. Click Download File. This will open export options, so you can choose how you want to save the report. When you select this, Google Analytics prepares the report exactly as displayed, including the charts and tables that are part of the snapshot. After that, click Select Export Format. This is where you choose the file type you need. If you want a shareable document that preserves the visual layout, choose PDF. If you want to work with the data in a spreadsheet for sorting, formulas, or further analysis, choose Excel. Click Select Export Format. Again, if the menu requires a second click to confirm your selection, then proceed with the format you prefer. Once you choose the format, the file will download through your browser. Save it somewhere easy to find and consider naming it with the report type and date range so it is clear later. That covers everything you need to know.